Hello, hello, hello. This is Els coming to you from Beema's Crafty Corner. And today I have kind of a mailbox scavenger. Yeah, from all over the world, right? So the first thing I got was this. And this is my April issue of Card Making and Paper Craft. And what this is a magazine out of the UK. And if you buy this in the US, it's $15.99. Canada, $16.99. And it's really kind of a card maker's magazine. And I do make a lot of cards, so it's very cool. This is the Sending Sunshine. This is this month's kind of feature. And it gives you a few different cards and things that you can do. And then, you know, there's some other projects in here. And they show you some different stamping techniques and things, which is really cool. So even if you're not a card maker per se, you can still learn a few things out of here. Also, in addition to that, they have in here some other projects. This is a mobile. You've got some suns and some clouds and some little umbrellas and stuff. And at the back, they actually have the templates for it. And you can download them for free from the magazine site. They have some really cool, what they call a master class. This is the master class. And what it is it's a different way to fold a card. And then so the card will stand up. And it has step-by-step instructions all the way through how to make the card. And then some tips on, you know, maybe some things that you might be a little, you know, sketchy on. But they also have a template for that back here. And throughout the magazine, they have just all kinds of really neat stuff. Now, obviously, I can't join, you know, any of the contests or anything, but that doesn't stop me from using this to, oh, here's a cute little box. It doesn't stop me from using the ideas that I find in here. And in the middle of the magazine, they put in these papers. So you get these, you can copy these if you want, you can scan them, you can just print them right out of the book. It doesn't matter how you want to use them, but you can also print them at home by downloading them for free on the website. And these papers coordinate to some projects that they put in to the magazine. And they have some real good product demonstration type things in here, you know, where they test products and things and different techniques to do things. And it's a really great little magazine, and I've been getting it for quite a while. And the reason I really get it is this right here. Every month's magazine comes with at least a free set of stamps. Sometimes it's stamps, sometimes it's stamps and paper, sometimes it's stamps, papers, and dies. This one is a die, and it cuts this little house right here. And then, you know, you've got Sending Sunshine, I Sure Do Love You, Ahoy There, It's Your Birthday, Waving Hello, Best Fishes, and Boy Oh Boy. And so it's kind of, it has a bit of a vintage feel to it, kind of the old seashore kind of thing. You get your lighthouse and your little cabanas and stuff. And just a cute little set. And sometimes I save these, sometimes I don't. But they are nice polymer. They're good quality, and they are limited edition. They only come in the magazine, which is kind of cool. So what else did I get? Well, I got China mail. Okay, and I'm going to show you what I got in the China mail. So I got 2 packages from China today. The first one I got was this one right here. And this one is a set of tags. Now, they're kind of small. I knew they were, but these are more like price tags where, you know, like you have like your upper part and then you can tear off the bottom and it has a little perforation that goes across. So I got these because I thought they would be neat to use for little tags in journals and things. So I grabbed those. Pretty inexpensive. I'm going to give them a shot, see if I like them. If I do, I may carry them in the shop. But there's 4 of them in the set that I ordered, or I ordered 4 separate, and they put them together. Who knows? I never know. I just, you know, I take what they send me. Let's put it that way. And the other one I got was this one right here. And these 3 here were limited. They're discontinued. So let's take a look at what we've got here. So the first one we have is this one right here, and it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces. You have a moon, like a crescent moon and stars, and then you have a circle that goes around that, and then you have the phases of the moon and a circle that goes around that, and then you have this outside layer that sort of looks like minutes. So you have 12, 3, 6, 9, and then all the minutes in between. And then there's another disc that goes around that, so grab that. And I haven't had the chance to check these out yet, to test them to see how well they cut, but as soon as I do, I will let you guys know. And let's see. Open. Where's the open? Ha. Okay, got my finger in there. That's the first part. There we go. All right, and then this one is a sun, and you could use this as just the moon face if you want to, or you can add this around the outside and make a sun out of it. So very cute. A little smaller than I thought, but I can live with it. Put this one back in the package, and let's take a look at the next one. So the next one I got is this one right here. This is like a top piece sort of thing. I don't know that I would call it a crown piece, but let me show you. So again, this was a discontinued die, and it has the phases of the moon. Not all of them, but most of them. And so it's like a flourish with the moon phases in it. Really, really pretty. Probably going to be adding these ones here to my mythical set. And then I got these, and again, this was a closeout item. And what this is a drawer pull and a label plate. So you take this and you cut it out, and then you kind of curve this center piece to make it look like a drawer pull. And then you have like the little plate where you'd have like your information listed in the plate. So I grabbed a couple of these as well. Okay. So just some great little dies that I got in today, and some really cool other things. That's it, guys. That's all I have to show you today. I'm still waiting for my stores to open so I can actually go in Scaventure. They're allowed to open as of today, so we'll see what happens. Until I see you guys again, do me a favor, hit the red button for me and subscribe. Like me, ring my bell, and share me with all your friends, because I got new cutting dies and they're going in the store. Don't forget, everything in the store is 15% off through Sunday. Bye-bye.